Parrot Bebop 2. The lightweight, compact HD video drone resulting from 2 years of design, the Parrot Bebop 2 is your ideal flight companion. Weighing 500 g and offering 25 minutes of autonomous flight time, this leisure drone is cutting edge. Its high performance specs mean it can fly, film, and take photographs brilliantly both indoors and outdoors. An ultra lightweight model to take you even further. Lightweight, 500 g, compact, and aerodynamic, the Parrot Bebop 2 is designed to be transported easily. It will go with you wherever and whenever you want to capture and share your finest flight moments in full HD. Everything is more beautiful in high definition. As a flying camera, the Parrot Bebop 2 films in 1080p Full HD. Even in low light, pictures are incredibly sharp thanks to its wide-angle 14-megapixel lens. Offering horizontal and vertical 180 degrees pictures, it's easy to take aerial photos without losing quality. For professional results, simply choose RAW or DNG from the 3 formats available. Front row. The camera is small, light, very wearable, intuitive in its use, has good sound recording, is steadycam enough to not make you seasick. I really do like it. It's got other pluses too if you like to stream or whatever posting your daily life is called. It's also a clock and a stopwatch. It's got an adjustable lanyard that means you can photograph very close to your head and get good audio of your comments. It's just a great little camera. It has plenty of resolution for the average user's needs and it does charge quickly. I was amazed at how quickly it was ready to use. Also a bonus, nobody thought about the USB connector fits into both my phone and tablet charger cable plugs so you can charge it from an outlet if that's available. If you can get a decent price, it's well worth buying, I think. I can't wait to take it somewhere on vacation with me. Evolved GTR. Inspired by the build quality, performance and superior comfort of a classic muscle car, the Bamboo GTR marries the best features of old-school deck craftsmanship with the latest technology to produce the ultimate fun machine. Pimped with our newly forged aluminum, super carved trucks for the ultimate riding experience, no compromise has been made when it comes to strength, durability and ride quality. With 3000 watts of twin brushless sensored motor power driving 7-inch all-terrain pneumatic tires, smooth yet responsive performance is at the heart of this machine. The evolved Bamboo GTR offers more riding modes than ever before, allowing riders of any level to safely enjoy the product and have the ability to adjust your riding mode while riding to suit conditions and maximize efficiency. Use Eco mode for easy control and safe top speed, perfect for beginners and those ridings wanting a relaxed ride with longest ride times. Use Pro mode to whiz past traffic and turn your commute into your daily adrenaline rush hour, and if you're dare, switch to GTR mode to unleash insane power and acceleration with the ability to climb hills of up to 25% gradient. For those that want a power curve that is different to Eco, Pro, GTR modes, select Custom mode on the remote, then open up the Explore by Evolve app and dial in the power curve to suit your riding style. HOLOVIT. HoloVIT is a transparent screen that changes pictures and videos to 3D holograms. It is designed to work without the need of a projector or special equipment. The screen works like a reflector when used with tablets, smartphones, laptops or TVs. The HoloVIT screen requires no power and when set at the optimal distance enables holograms to be viewed even in brightly lit rooms. EMBR Wave Bracelet. The Wave's breakthrough science lets you cool down or warm up with the press of a button, a familiar feeling. The Wave provides a similar sensation to the refreshing chill of a cold glass or the comforting warmth of a hot mug. Press to activate. Using the Wave is simple. Just press the blue side for cooling or the red side for warming. Feel the relief. Keep balanced. Cooling and warming sensations are delivered in waves, keeping your thermal senses active for consistent relief. Get full control. Connect to the Wave mobile app to personalize your experience and receive continuous improvements. TimeKettle WT2 Plus is a AI, real-time translator earbuds. You'll never have to worry about missing out on a conversation. This is an international award-winning design. WT2 Plus AI real-time translator earbuds feature an international award-winning design that inspires and encourages travelers to transcend language barriers through innovative design. Equipped with AI technology, this powerful translator helps to simultaneously record and translate up to 40 different languages. In fact, it covers 95% of the world's population. For the first time ever, an AI translator is here to bridge the language gap between business professionals, travelers, families, and friends.